How much time, money, and stress could you save if delays, budget overruns, and miscommunication on site were no longer an issue? Even the smallest mistakes can spiral into design clashes, setbacks, and costly rework. As our world and architecture move to digital tools, our 3D site capture offers smart solutions. We 3D scan and document structural elements, ceiling, frames, surfaces, and finishes with clarity and precision. From site to model, our scans seamlessly integrate directly into CAD and BIM workflows, so your team works with verified, accurate data. Whether you're building, renovating, or retrofitting, our 3D site capture keeps everyone aligned. Share with consultants, contractors, and clients. Resolve clashes before they become problems, and eliminate unnecessary site visits. Get straight to designing, not redrawing. Accurate as-built data means fewer assumptions and efficient coordination. This technology is trusted by architects and designers who value precision, transparency, and smoother project delivery. Visit Aerial Perspectives Australia to explore how we can support your next project.